This short in seconds, say what matters. Vedant Group subsidiary Hindustan Zinc Ltd, HZL, has approved a 12,000 crore rupees investment to substantially expand its zinc, lead and silver production in Rajasthan. This is part of a two-phased strategy aimed at doubling current output of 1.13 metric ton per annum to 2 metric tons per year by 2030, capitalizing on growing metal demand driven by infrastructure, auto, and energy sectors. The capital infusion will be split between building a 250 KTPA integrated smelter in Devri, Rajasthan, and expanding existing mines and mills at its Jawar and Rampura Agucha sites. The project is expected to complete in 36 months and funded through a mix of internal accruals and debt. HZL, already the world's largest integrated zinc producer and among the top 5 for silver, controls around 77% of India's primary zinc market and exports to over 40 countries. CEO Arun Misra stated that this capacity doubling aligns with India's push for self-reliance in critical metals, enhancing supply security amid global competition according to analysts. While near-term margins may feel pressure due to capital expenditure, the long-term payoff will be stronger economies of scale and geographic diversification. Metal price cycles, especially zinc averaging $503,000 ton, remain supportive. The scale-up also dovetails with HZL's prior announcement to shift toward renewable energy sources within 5 to 7 years. The combined expansion could generate thousands of jobs and increase ancillary industry growth, especially in Rajasthan. HZL's move is part of a broader trend. Vedant aims to invest up to $2 billion till the 17K crore by 2030 across upstream zinc and lead capacity. Overall, HZL's 12,000 rupee crore investment signals a strategic deepening in India's base metals sector, reinforcing position in domestic markets, boosting exports, and providing a blueprint for capital-efficient growth. Source: Business Standard Reuters. Stay tuned on BizShort for more such updates.